Hello everyone, today's video is Tumble Dryer. This is InDesit condenser tumble dryer. Before going into the video, if you are new, do subscribe to the channel. We buy it in John Lewis. It has 2 years warranty and by price match option. This is 8 kg capacity. It costed 200 pounds. In winters, it's a bit hard for clothes to be dried due to lack of sunlight. We will dry clothes on an airing stand near room heaters. It needs time for complete drying, then tumble dryer is a good option, especially when we are having kids. It has simple controls like high heat and low heat. Here it is a timer. Depending upon the clothes weight, we can set the time. This is a tray. After dry cycle, all the water will be collected in the tray and we can pull the tray completely outside and drain the water in the sink. This is the filter. Dust will be collected in this. After 4 to 5 cycles, we will clean the filter. If you are searching for energy efficient ones, then heat pump dryer is a good option. It is a bit expensive. The benefit of condenser dryers is just we need a power socket to place the dryer. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.